After remaining all the period, I have stayed only in Coimbatore. Okay. Can anyone from your side, from CSCA section, can introduce yourself? Hello. By the way, I can check my audio. Hello. Can anyone call your number or you can introduce yourself? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Can any one student can introduce yourself from CSCA? Okay, we will start from 101. Abhinandan, are you there? Hello?
Sir.
Yes, can you introduce yourself? Please turn on your camera for a moment of time. Yes, Abhinandan. B class students,
Can you
please stay back. I will come back. Yes, yes. Tell me, Abhinandan. Can you introduce
Sir,
yourself?
from Tirupur, sir.
Tripur. Okay, okay. Where you did your schooling?
Sir, PEM School of Excellence. It's also in Tirupur, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. What is your father?
Sir, my father business is doing business.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, Abhinandan. From
Thanks.
CSCB and Naresh Kumar, are you there? Can you introduce yourself? Naresh Kumar? Naresh Kumar? Else Ajay, 201, are you there? Ajay? Hello? Yes, please introduce yourself, Ajay. Yes, okay. From Salem. Okay. Okay. What is your father? Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Ajay. In between, I will ask any one student in some other classes to introduce yourself. No. Why we are sitting here? Can anyone tell me what subject we are going to study? Any idea from your side?
Excuse me, sir. Please adjust your camera a little bit downwards.
Yes, yes. So, okay, sir?
Now fine, sir.
Okay, okay. Can anyone tell me what for we are sitting here? What subject we are going to study? Any idea? Any idea? Yes? Yes, sir?
About electronics, sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. That I will do, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Can anyone tell me what for we are sitting here? Can anyone tell me? Because you people already have joined your Google Classroom. I want to thank everyone for your interest towards the learning. Maximum more than 98% of students have joined already. Can you know the name of the subject what we are going to discuss? If you tell, then I will start my work.
Electronic devices and circuits.
Devices and circuits. Okay. Any idea about this? What is electronic device? Have you heard this name anywhere else in your curriculum in the school days? Or have you studied anything in your first semester related to this? Electronic devices. See, are we using any electronic devices in your home? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Please interact. Mobile phone is one of the very good, very good, very good. Mobile phone. Any other electronic devices? Laptop. Okay.
Computer.
Then computer. Okay. Actually, I am asking not appliance. I am asking the device. Device abhina, they put together. See, very simple. There are some things present in your laptop that is interconnected together. Then only we are naming it as a laptop. Am I correct? Okay. If I show this slide, you people may recognize what is the difference between what you told right now and the appliance. Can anyone, is it my screen is visible to everyone? So the screen is visible to everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What you are saying in the slide? You have some GIF images. Am I correct? Hello? B section. Sorry, sorry. B section. Now you check it whether you're able to see the slide from the B section. Yes, 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 yes. Please tell me, hello, hello. Please mute yourself.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Sir,
Not visible, sir.
Slide is not visible in
sir, in
where?
A section, you have not started
Yes,
presentation,
sir.
sir.
A section.
Yes,
I see. In both the classes. Now it is visible in both the classes. Am I correct?
yes, sir, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See here in the slide, you have two different circuits. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? What is the first circuit consist of? What is the second circuit consist of? Can anyone name the devices present in the circuit? Please. Let me take the first zip file. What are the things
Battery.
present over here? Battery, very good.
Battery,
Then
Light bulb.
bulb. Okay, very good. Come back to the second one. What are the things present over here?
Battery, key,
Battery,
Resistor.
then
resistor,
resistor, then key, very
wires,
good.
LED.
Key, then wires, very good. Then what is the red color one? Giving illumination.
LED bulb.
LED.
Very good.
LED light.
LED. Is there any difference between these two circuits? Is there any difference between the first one and the second one? Yes, that is
Sir,
our
key.
task. Yes, key is not present over there. Very good. Then in first circuit you
resistor,
have resistor
Resistor.
not present in the first circuit. Very good. Okay, what is that? Something, there is some animation over the wire. What is this animation over the
Current
wire?
flow.
Current flow.
Flowing of
Flow
current.
of current. Flow of current. Very good.
Flow of electron.
How it happens? How it happens? When the flow
Potential
of current,
difference.
potential difference. What is meant by potential difference? Very good. See, you people are making my task very simple. Others don't bother. Your friends are answering something. Please make note of those things. We will clarify everything in a very detailed way. Don't worry. The first circuit consists of not a battery. It is called cell. What is that? It is a cell. What is the difference between the cell and battery then? What is the
Group of
difference
cells
between
is called battery.
Very good, very good. The group of cells. Can anyone tell me in the second diagram how many cells were there?
two cells,
How those two cells are connected?
serial,
Series. Am I correct, sir? Series. So wherever I stress the word, please highlight that. Make a hint. See, my humble request, please maintain the separate notebook for our particular subject, electronic devices and circuits. Don't mix rasam, sambar, everything in a single thing. It will be a difficult thing when you are preparing for your examination or even your future reference. Okay. First day, don't do, if you are not having a separate notebook, take some rough notebook. I'm not going to give a detailed lecture. Only the hint I am going to give in the first half. In the second half, we will say little theory. Okay, yes. In the first diagram, the first zip file represents the electric circuit. The second zip file represents electronic circuit. What is the difference between these two means? In the first circuit, we have cell, connecting wire, and the lamp. These things are associatedly called as electrical elements. But in the second image, except the cell, then key or switch, and the resistor, you have one third element that made the revolution in the electrical science industry. In the mechanical science or in the olden days, you know the importance of the Sikkimuki stone. Am I correct? What is the revolution happened from the Sikkimuki stone? What we invented from the stone? Can anyone tell me? What we invented? Fire. Very good. Very. That is the very tremendous or the great invention made our human to travel from one place to another and stay somewhere and survive. What are all the applications of your fire? How they used the fire? Can you tell me the application of fire? What initially the human used? The first one. What is the application of fire we used? Fire எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க?
To cook.
To cook.
To light
Yes,
up.
very good. The light energy, very good, to get the light energy. What about the third one? It's a very important one. The human used to stay in forest. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, sir? Then
To warm
the
up
fire.
better.
Very good, very good. Yes, yes. That is to warm during night's time or the winter season. We need some warmth, so we need to create some thermal energy. So we use the fire. Very good. The fourth one is very, very important. We are sitting in somebody's home. Am I correct? The forest is the not home for the people to stay. அது யாரோட இடம்? Animals. Very good, very good. So அது எவ்வளவு பெரிய ஒரு tremendous இது create பண்ணிச்சு. Can anyone tell me what is the second revolution made the human to travel further after fire? After fire, wheels. Very good, wheels. Wheels made us to travel. Am I correct, sir? It's not only travel. Not only travel. We use the wheel for plenty of applications. Produce electricity. Am I correct? The same wheels, we put it in some other form. Using that, we generated electricity. In the same way, first one is the fire, then the wheel, then we use certain animals to do the work. The very simple. What are the tasks we are unable to do by the human? We will get the help of group of people. So the group of people together we can do some work. If that particular strength is not sufficient, we will get the help of the animal. After that, we will get the help of the machines. Can anyone tell me what is the first machine that human invented? Human invent பண்ண first machine or the tool. ஒரு tool யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் அந்த human வந்து work பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சான். Can anyone tell me?
Axe.
Axe எதை யூஸ் பண்ணி கிரியேட் பண்ணாங்க? Again stone. Am I correct? Using stone, using sharp stones, the human used to dig the soil as well as to kill the animal. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? So again the stone. We revolved around the stone. After some time, the mechanical booms little, then electrical science. So electrical science in the sense, the first one is the lamp. So lamp, who invented the lamp? Can anyone tell me? It replaces the fire. Am I correct? The same application gives the fire. நீங்க சொன்ன ஒரு application தான் நமக்கு lamp கொடுக்குது. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? Who invented the lamp? Who invented the lamp?
Thomas Alva Edison.
Thomas Alva Edison. Very good, very good. How the lamp will glow? Can anyone tell me? What energy is converted into the light energy?
Electrical energy.
Yes, the first diagram shows the same thing. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, sir? The chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy. That electric energy fed into the lamp that produces the light energy. Am I correct? If I'm wrong, please correct me. Is it the flow is correct? Chemical energy, then electric energy, then light energy. Am I correct, sir? But in the second image, we have one more element. It is like your fire. It is like your stone. It is like your what? Wheels. It is called. It is not an electrical device. It is an electronic device. The specific names for the electrical device. Can anyone tell me by recollecting your volume 2 physics book? You have studied one special physics in volume 2. Let me skip the prefix and spell the second one. Conductor physics. What is the prefix of that one?
Semiconductor.
Very good, very good. Who told that answer? Please give a big clap to him. Very good. Because he still remembers that one. Very good. Semiconductor physics. So what we are going to do in this particular semester means we are going to read once again the basics of the semiconductor physics, followed by little advanced topics. Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? Yes. Yes. Can you see this second slide? What is that? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Education.
Okay. 12th plus first year. If you include 13 years, if you include your LKG, UKG put together, 15 years of education you already completed. Am I correct, sir? Now you are the right person to tell what is education from your view. Even you can type it in the chat box. What is education from your point of view? Please tell me. Please interact, please interact. We need more interaction from you people. This is the initial few minutes. We are going to spend it to the little deviated from our topic. This is to get some interaction between you two people. Okay, I am new. You people is new to me. To get synchronized and putting these things as an extra. What is education from your point of view? You can unmute and tell, or else you can interact with the chat box, or you can unmute and tell. What is from your point of view? What is education? Yes, yes, make it fast. Already
Learning.
Learning what? Learning. Learning of what? So, okay, learning something. Am I correct, sir? Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else? From your point of view, what is education? Education is an unwanted thing. Somebody typed to understand and evaluate ourselves. Very good. In the initial time, education is a tool to improve our individual skills. Very good. Very good. Any other answers? Any other answers? Any other answers from your side? Gain knowledge. Okay. Now we will see what our elders are saying. Okay. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this?
Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein. So Albert Einstein என்ன சொல்றாரு கண்ணா? Can you read the sentence once? Make it fast. Can you read the sentence once? Education is not learning of facts, but training of mind to think. That means what? Can you tell me? Say what for we are sitting here? Here I am sitting to train your mind to think in semiconductor physics. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? Shall I tell like that? Or electrical science. Am I correct? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I
Yes, sir.
correct? So why I am putting this one very important one. In this online mode of education, many of the students not listening the class, their mobile phones are listening the class. Am I correct, sir? You people will make your phone to listen, and you will make your smartphone to further smart. Your smartphone will get trained. Whatever the thing I am speaking, your mobile phone can take recording of those things. Am I correct, sir? Internally, if you give permission, so it will train by itself. Then if I ask question, your mobile phone can answer. But if you are not listening the class, is it possible to give the answers? No. So my humble request, don't waste your time as well as our time. We are some group of people taking care of you. There are more than 9 to 10 faculties taking the same subject. So you will get plenty of inputs from our side. Whatever the effort we are putting in the class, it's not a single man effort. It is a group of people's effort. Okay? So don't waste it. If you ask me what is education, he told to train our mind to think. If you ask me what is education, education is the one, it will help you to taste something. What is taste? Taste something. So how to taste? So if you read something, then only you will understand something. See, once you read the statement, don't get the conclusion immediately. Think it. Then, once you think and analyze the particular sentence, then only you can taste the flavor of that one. Okay? This is the thumb rule. Please keep it in your mind. Don't, for the namesake, don't sit here. Okay? Yes. Before getting into the particular electrical science, these things are new to you, known to you, but I am going to correlate the electrical science to the computer science. Am I correct, sir? Many of the students may have the doubt, why I need to study electrical science. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? Can anyone tell me, or can anyone correlate the computer science with the electrical science? கொஞ்சம் யாரா சொல்ல முடியுமா? கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் சயின்ஸ் கத்துக்கிட்டா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? எஸ் எஸ் இல்ல இதெல்லாம் நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீ எனக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்றியா? Two options. Hello, am I audible?
Last answer பண்றோம் சார்.
Last up. Okay, no issue. There is a tremendous changes in the electrical science. Whatever I am showing is maybe a old content. There are plenty of updates are available in the everyday scenario. You people are well versed in the electronics updations. So let me throw few areas: consumer electronics, medical electronics, industrial electronics, and aeronautics. Is it the four areas are very interest to you people? Consumer electronics, are we in which category we will fall? Can anyone tell me whether we will fall under the medical, industrial, or aeronautics? Our online class, where we will fall? Consumer electronics. Consumer electronics, we have a plenty of things, but we have quoted only two: phones and TV. Medical, I think this COVID pandemic situation make us to realize a little further what are things we can still do it in the medical. Am I correct? Even in the consumer electronics, in the first one, mobile phones application. In olden days, the mobile phone applications, it is to only text, it is to only communicate between the people. But in the COVID pandemic situation, and also gaming. Am I correct, sir? Phone game. But can anyone tell me what is the dimension of your phone? It helps to educate. Am I correct? Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? So that is the beauty of the consumer electronics. Then industrial. So industrial, machine vision. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of the machine vision? Machine vision. Can anyone tell me? Like kind of an application? Okay, we will see that one. Sensor. Machine vision is see, don't think these things are new. These things are control C, control V. What it means? Control C, control V.
Copy paste.
Copy paste. From where we copied and where we pasted. The machine vision. The copy panno? Can you see the camera? Can you see the camera view? From where we copied this technology?
Eyes.
Human eye, animal's eye. Am I correct? So though we copied the vision power from the animals and human. That sense we gave to the machine. Surveillance, you know very well. In aeronautics, UAV, unarmed vehicle. Yes? Then wireless. Okay, we will see one by one. What is this? What is the first mobile phone? Yeah, anyone saw that first mobile phone in your home? I think you kids may not have the opportunity to saw this mobile phone. Am I correct, sir?
Yes,
what is the first phone? Nokia. Mobile nale we used to sell the brand name. Andalukku idu dhaan first irundhudu. Then what is the second one? Motorola, BlackBerry. The third one. Okay, what is the revolution happened in this industry? Earlier, talk using a phone. Am I correct? Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
We will use the phone to talk between some people. Am I correct? What is the current scenario? Hey Google. What is Hey Google? What is Hey Google? What we are doing, we are communicating, we are talking to the phone. That phone making our work simpler. Very simple. If I give one reminder, please remind me the electronic devices class. Monday second session. அப்படின்னு சொன்னா உன் phone என்ன பண்ணும்? It will store the content into the calendar, then it will give the reminder. Is it possible nowadays? Am I correct, sir? Is it
Yes, sir.
possible?
Possible, sir.
It
Possible.
is possible. This kind of revolution happened because of the one invention is called semiconductor. Semiconductor devices ulla vechi. Then what is the role of computer science engineer in this? Can anyone tell me? We have electronic devices. We have some things to connect together to work. But for complex applications, what we need to do? We need to program the device. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? So without programming, these electronic devices can't work in a smarter way. So the older mobile phone, even in the Nokia phone, you have some programming. Can anyone see this battery symbol at the right hand side of the Nokia phone? Irkakana? இந்த பேட்டரியில ஒரு சிம்பிள் லெவல் காட்டும். இது எப்படி காட்டும்? யாராவது சொல்ல முடியுமா? 5 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் இருந்ததுன்னா பேட்டரி லோவா இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் மீன் வாட்? செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் கொஞ்சம் பேட்டரி சார்ஜ் அதிகமா இருக்கு. ஃபுல்லா 5 பார் இருக்கு. அப்படின்னா என்ன மீனிங்? What is that? Fully charged. The left hand side you are having antenna symbol. இது எப்படி நான் ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதுறது? Can anyone assist me? இதுக்கு என்ன ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதணும்? Now you people familiar with the C programming, am I correct? இதுக்கு என்ன ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதலாம்? என்ன கண்டிஷன் எழுதி ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதணும்? Shall I use the while loop or switch case or if else? Which one I can use it, sir? Switch case I can use it. Then any other logic I can use it over here?
If else also you can use that.
Nested if shall I use it? Nested if shall I use it? Now, can you realize why you need to study this little basic of your electronic devices? We are not telling to make a master in this. We will fire you little thing. By knowing these concepts, you people can write the program in a very simple way. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? நீ இது வந்து ஃபுல்லா படிச்சு இதுல மாஸ்டர் ஆன்ற நெசசிட்டி இல்லை. பட் எதுக்காக ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதுறன்றத தெரிஞ்சிட்டு ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதலாம். Am I correct? Yes. The second one, what is the difference between these two images? What is the difference between these two images? In olden days, you watch TV. Am I correct? Now, hello? Now, hello? Yes? Sir, am I audible? Saji sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
நான் கொஞ்சம் கூப்பிடல அப்படின்னா நான் வந்து டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிட்டேன்னு நினைச்சிருவேன்டா கண்ணா. இந்த செகண்ட் வெர்ஷன்ல யாரை பார்க்கறான்? Who watches who?
TV watches.
What is that sense called? அது என்ன சென்ஸ்? Yes? That is called gesture control. Very good, very good. What is in the gesture? Human movement. Am I correct? Human movement. Am I correct? Gesture control. Can anyone give me the example for the gesture control? Any other appliance? Gesture control use பண்ணி பண்றது? Okay, you find what is gesture control. See, in this TV, in the smart TV, you can choose the menu, then you can select the particular menu. Inside you can, whatever the content, you have a music file. You can play the music by giving only the gesture control, not the remote control. The person not holding anything in his hand, simply he is giving the signal to the TV. This is the advancement. It is also a 3D vision. That and all is little in depth. Okay. What is this? What is this? What is this industry doing? It is a very, very important one. human life is saved. In olden days, if you want to do any surgical operation, you may find some stitchings over the skin. Am I correct? Stitching இருக்கும் பெரிய stitch இருக்கும். Bypass surgery starting இங்கிருந்து இங்க வரைக்கும் பெரிய stitches இருக்கும். Nowadays, can you see such kind of stitches in the human body after the surgical treatment?
No.
If not, what is the reason? Can anyone tell me?
Improvement of technology.
Okay, who is doing the operation here?
Machines and robots.
Machine along with the human. This is called cobotics. It's not robotics, cobotics. Cobotics is the combination of human and robot. This is the earlier version. In the current version, robo itself can do. That is called pure robotics. Diagnostic, many things in the medical area can do plenty of things. Here, we join two hands. Those two hands made the things to possible. That is, the first one is the electronics, the second one is the computer science, the programming skills. So using the programming technique, we made these things to possible. Okay? Yes. What is this? What is this? What is the abbreviation of CCTV? Next class, in olden days, what?
Closed circuit television.
Very good, very good. Where you studied this one?
Already I know, sir.
Very good, very good. 10th standard itself. Very good, very good. Others, please make a note of that abbreviation if you want. Here in the surveillance camera, it is not like a simple camera. If you see the defense area, in the border, Pakistan, India, Pakistan, and many critical areas, the CCTV camera will give the image, then you can process the image and you can identify. How I can identify the day one, I know the Yogesh DBS keep on going in B class. Am I correct? The keep on going will store into my mind. The next time, if I see the DB of keep on going, what I will recognize? Who is that? Yogesh. Am I correct? In the same way, we will store the information by giving these things. We will train the information in the next day or some other time after training period. It will find the person. If the person is holding any weapon or any unwanted thing in this hand, it will give an alert. It will give an alert. Okay, likewise, the things are going in a very drastical way. This is related to the food process. So the vision-based sorting machines, color sorting machine, if you put, நம்ம வீட்டில் இப்போ ரைஸ் சாப்பிட்றோம், யாராவது கடிக்கும் போது ஸ்டோன் வருதா? But in olden days, அந்த பிரச்சனை எல்லாம் வரும். Am I correct, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How it is overcome? Can anyone tell me? ஏன் அரிசி கடி இப்போ சாப்பிடும்போது நம்ம கல்லெல்லாம் வருது? It is because of the technology improvement in the electronic devices and the computer science. It's very simple. If stone is present, turn on some diverted portion, throw the stone out. That's all. Simple if-else program. If you see unwanted content, sense the sensor input and activate something. So here you have some chambers. One chamber is collect the waste. Another chamber is to collect the pure rice. It is simple if-else program. Am I correct, sir? So this is what this kind of particular machine is manufactured in Coimbatore itself. The Coimbatore is the hub for textile industry as well as few industrial automation. Nowadays, there are few defense-oriented things also happening in Coimbatore. Also, it is going to the little hub for programming industry. Okay, yes. Next one, it's related to the safety. So these are unarmed vehicle, these things are all very advanced things you can see. Okay, what is my role? I know the technology. Now I know the technology. What What is my role? Your role, first thing, recollect the things what you have studied. Second thing, listen the new things. What may be the third thing? Can anyone tell me? First point என்னக்கு நான் சொன்னேன், previously என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துட்டோம். இது நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? So now I will ask you one question. Whether this area is the interesting one or emerging trending area, whether you will get the opportunity to work, please respond yourself. Hello, dear students, whether you can use your programming skill in this area. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Kana ஒரு yes தான் வருது, but in classல பார்த்தா 64 plus 62 2-3 SS தான் வருது. மத்தவங்க எல்லாம் ஃபோன் மட்டும் தான் கவனிக்குதா? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, 4 SS வந்துருச்சு. I want 62 plus 63 yes. அப்ப எவ்வளவு வரும் சார்? 125 yes வரணும். எப்ப வருதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். எல்லாரும் இருக்கமா கிளாஸ்ல?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
இருக்கீங்கன்னா chat box.
Yes, sir.
Chat box வந்து flood of அப்படியே chat box வந்து நேரா ஹேங் ஆயிருக்கணும். 125 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் போது each classல 125 students, 65 students நம்ம போட்டோம்னா chat. Why I am making you to chat? Very simple. If you listen the mobile phone alone, you forget to blink your eyes. So கண்ணை blink பண்ணாம விட்டுட்டேன்னா அதோட பவர் என்ன ஆயிரும்? Increase ஆயிரும். Soon you need to wear the glasses. So goggle use பண்ணிட்டு உங்களோட eye strength கம்மியாச்சு அப்படின்னா there are some industries won't allow you to get inside. Especially the defense areaல eye power ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தியா இருந்ததுன்னா they won't recruit you to work there. Then you will lose the opportunity. Okay. So chat பண்ணுன்னு சொல்லும் போதாவது கொஞ்சம் divert ஆகி கொஞ்சம் நம்ம chat பண்ணலாம். So what I am going to do here, I am going to recollect the old thing, then I am going to listen the new thing. The third one, I am going to put my specialization into that. That means what? Electronics domain la computer science domain oda idu nam ulla kondu vandita. What is the new thing will happen? It is called invention. You can invent new products. You can invent new things. It is helpful to the human life. That must be the role of your education. So we people will guide you to do the project also, because our subject is not only the theory subject. It is a lab embedded theory course. What is the meaning of lab embedded theory? Can anyone unmute and tell? What is meant by lab embedded theory course? Have you studied this kind of subject in your curriculum in your first semester? Hello? No. Lab embedded theory course நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோமா இதுக்கு முன்னாடி? Can you name the subject? Can you name the
Environmental
subject?
science for engineering.
Environmental science for engineering. Very good. Then kana நம்ம PLD எது நம்ம படிக்கலையா? PLD?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, if I ask you one thing very simply, how many languages you know? Can I type it in the chat box? How many languages you know? Can you type it in the chat box? என்னென்ன language உனக்கு தெரியும்? Can you type it in the chat box? என்ன languageலாம் உனக்கு தெரியும்? 2 language. Abhinandan, can you specify the language? How many language you know? Very good. I expected this answer from you people. What is your name? Udaya Rajan. Am I correct, Udaya Rajan? Am I spelling your name correctly?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
ஆனா இந்த B செக்ஷன்ல யாருமே chatல ஒண்ணுமே போடலையே. உனக்கு ஒரு லாங்குவேஜ்மே தெரியாதா? I know Tamil, English, Malayalam, Hindu, அது மாதிரி ஏதோ லாங்குவேஜஸ் உனக்கு தெரியுமா? In B section, actually in A section, one of the students typed the answer. Let me share it in the B section also. This is the time you people know little more language. C, C++. What is C as? Udera, can you? I don't know what is C as. What is
sharp.
C sharp. You are too short. Very good. Java and Python. Yes. Now we people are going to teach the new language is called electrical science. Okay, what is A? A for A for Apple னு படிச்சிருப்ப. கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ்ல இது என்னவா இருக்கும்? A for
Apple
Hello?
Incorporation.
ஓகே. வேற ஏதாவது அரேன்னு வச்சுக்கலாமா? அரேன்னு வச்சுக்கலாமா?
Array, sir.
ஓகே. அது
Argument.
எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் சயின்ஸ்ல என்னவா யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? மேபி ஏன்றதை நம்ம எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? எனி ஐடியா? ஓகே, சி வச்சுக்கலாம். சி எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க? சி ஃபார்
Capacitor.
capacitor. That's all. So here you are sitting to learn the new language. Why I am telling this one? Please recollect those terms: ampere, battery, capacitor, diode. Okay, electric circuit. Like that, alphabet la ennallam padichirukku recollect pannikko. Because we will spell those terminologies. At the time, it should not get difficult to learn. So, is it new the thing? No. Already you studied in your physics. What is this I am presenting in front of you? Is it new to you? Volume 1 physics book. What are all things you have studied? Can anyone tell me any one topic in this? Volume 1. Hello? Volume 1 la edavadhu oru top oru unit yara solla mudiyuma?
Current, electricity.
Very good, very good. So these three things are little electrostatics. Very good, Kavya. Very good, Kavya. Then out of all the topics, இந்த ஒரு 3 topics ஒரு 25% நம்ம எடுத்துட்டு we are switching over to the volume 2. Volume 2 ல தான் நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கு? Volume 2 ல என்ன?
Semiconductor.
Semiconductor physics. So this is the two things: atomic and nuclear physics and semiconductor electronics. So atom na enna therinjittu, then we have studied semiconductor electronics. If people doesn't have this textbook, please note down the link available in the screen. Please take a screenshot of this one. This is free to everyone. You can download and you can read the content available in this. In very first week, you people spend some time in this volume 2 and read this. That will help you a lot to get into this particular subject. Okay? Yes. Here what we are going to do means, here we are going to study the electronic circuit. Before that, let me tell you the simple thing. What is circuit? The circuit is the physical representation of the electrical system. Electric circuit niya edhukku per vechirukanga? Can anyone tell me? Electric circuit ni edhukku per vechirukanga? The particular circuit consists of what? Electrical component. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? பாத்தீங்கன்னா first diagram la பாத்தீங்கன்னா battery இருக்கு, switch இருக்கு, lamp இருக்கு. So if I have only this kind of diagram, if I increase the volume of the circuit, it will take much time to draw the circuit diagram. So for the purpose, the scientists invented the technique called circuit diagram. Circuit diagram uses the symbols. Can you correlate the symbols? The battery oda symbol edu neenga solla mudiyuma circuit la? Have you studied the symbol in your school days? Have you studied the symbol in your school
sir.
days? Yes. Very good. Yes. What is the symbol of the switch? Switch oda symbol or key. Nama book la vandu key kuduthirupanga. Am I correct? Hereafter, please pronounce it as a switch. So, idoda purpose enna? Can anyone tell me? What is the purpose of this switch? What is the purpose of this switch?
Start or stop the electric flow.
To make the circuit to on and off. Am I correct, sir? To make the circuit to on and off. Am I correct? If I doesn't have, very good, open and close, very good, open and close. If I doesn't have the switch, what will happen? If I doesn't have the switch,
Continuous electronic.
continuous, it is a waste of energy. If I buy the battery, my intention to increase the lifetime of the battery. Am I correct, sir? So whenever I want only, I need to make the device to on. Here, again, the mechanical energy is converted into the electric energy. That electric energy is utilized as a what? Light energy.
Light energy.
Light energy. So please take a screenshot of these symbols. Even you can refer your textbook. In your textbook, the switch symbol is a little different. That I will write you later. Okay. Yes. Now you can see anything in the, whether it is the image or video. Can anyone tell me? The image or video or GIF file?
GIF file.
GIF file.
Okay. What is the abbreviation for GIF file? GIF. Graphical. Okay, that you find later. In the education system, we will show diagrams, and we will show some videos, and we will show some animated files. That is called GIF file. So in this diagram, I can show more than two states. In the previous circuit diagram shows only the one state. Either on or off I can show. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
The thumb rule, I need to draw the circuit diagram only in the off condition. If circuit off la dhaan nama varanjirukom. Appo on panna adu eppadi irukku na sonnona, I need to draw the some more diagram. But in the GIF file, with the help of GIF file, I can show more than one state. Okay. Now, what is this diagram? What is this diagram? Whether it is an electrical system or electronic system. Can anyone tell me? Hello?
Electronics.
Why it is called as electronic system? I am having the battery. I am having the switch again. Along with that, I have one more element called resistor. The only one element is the new, that is a semiconductor. But this circuit is called as an electronic system. Why? Now you will have a confusion. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct? Now, for a system, the electrical system or electronic system, and every differentiate now. What is the output from these two circuits? This is output.
Light energy.
Light energy. What is the output I am receiving from this circuit? Same light energy. Who is giving the light energy? The first one, incandescent lamp giving the light energy. In this diagram, I am giving the, I am using the, what is the name of the component? Can anyone tell me?
LED.
LED. What is the abbreviation for LED?
Light emitting.
Light emitting diode.
Actually, it is come under the family of diode. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Diode ku keel semiconductor la diode என்ற ஒரு category அது வருது. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes,
But
sir.
it is a special type of diode. Okay? Special type of diode. அதனால தான் prefixல அது என்ன function பண்ணுதோ அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி நேம் பண்றோம். That means it emits light. Therefore, it is called as a light emitting diode. Is this clear, sir? Okay. Now, whether my equivalent electronic circuit diagram is correct or is it anything missing there? Ida miss agudha? One miss agudha. Am I correct? In the diagram, ஏதோ ஒன்னு miss ஆகுது. என்ன miss ஆகுது? Resistor. Then
Bulb, sir.
Bulb.
that is not a bulb. No longer you.
LED.
No.
LED.
Very good. It's a LED. Can you people draw the symbol of the resistor and LED and turn on your camera and show your notebook? Please make an attempt. It is a small task. If I am alone speaking, you people will sleep. So in between, we will give a little task like this. Please draw the symbol of the resistor and the LED and turn on the camera and show your notebook, please. If you couldn't find the symbol, don't worry. யாரெல்லாம் முடியுதோ கொஞ்சம் ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். Make it, please. This classroom meant to learn something. Who are all going to learn? I am going to teach something, you will learn. If you people tell new concept, I will learn. It's a mutual benefit. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, sir? Hello? And one more thing, I forgot to tell one more thing. Here we have one more faculty in this classroom, Mr. Sajis. He is also belong to EEE department. He will also help you to learn the things. We are sitting in the two different classrooms. If B section students, if you draw, Sajis sir will check your work. I will check you in the A class. Please, anyone, if you drawn the symbol, please turn on the camera and show your output. Make it fast. Definitely, I will help you to finish the circuit. Don't worry. Quick, make it fast. Is it anyone did the task? Can I konja quick? Draw panitama. Can you show the symbol? If you find difficulty, please tell me. I will help you. Resistor symbol nama padichirukkom. Yes, make it fast. Hello? Can I please tell me? Konja unmute panni nee answer pannu. Mudiyudhu mudiyala. Illana I will help. Is it, am I audible in both the classes? Hello? Sajis sir?
Yes,
sir. Can I konja symbols edavadhu recollect panna mudinja pannunga. Illana sollu. I will help you. Yes, very good. What's your name? Yes, please turn on your camera and show your output. Yes. Others, please make an attempt. Very good. Please, everyone, give a big clap to him. He found the symbol. Is it you people can see the Sadiswaran camera view 244? See, I never expected this from Sri Hari. He made the symbol in the chat box itself. Very good. Sri Hari, I will share the same thing in the B section also. B section students, please see one of the student drawn the symbol in the chat box in the A section. Sri Hari, now please everyone give a big clap to him, Sri Hari. Sri Hari, can you unmute your video? Let me see your face, Sri Hari. Sri Hari? No one drawn the
laptop, sir.
Okay. No problem, Sri Hari. Yes, now I will help you to finish the circuit diagram. So here only one thing is missing. Here. What is the things missing? Two things: resistor and what? LED. So how to draw the circuit diagram? So can everyone see the paint view in front of you? Yes, sir. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Okay. See how to draw the circuit diagram. So whenever you want to draw the circuit diagram, you need symbols first. So this is the symbol of your battery. Am I correct, sir? Then this is a symbol of your switch. Then please refer your circuit diagram. What is next to the switch? Resistor. So your friends gave the symbol as this. I think now everyone can recollect you have studied this symbol. Am I correct, sir? Yes. Now, this is, can anyone recollect the symbol of this one?
Excuse me, sir.
What is the symbol of this one? This is called, no, this is
Diode.
called, this is, can you specify the name of this component in little clarity? It is not a simple diode.
Hello?
That's a diode.
Yes, sir?
Sir, see in the chat box, Aditya drawn the symbol for diode also.
Wow. Where, sir? Let me check.
CSA, sir.
Aditya, let me share this view to other class also. Aditya, good attempt. Never we seen these symbols in the chat box. The computer science students are thinking they are using their computer skills to represent the electronic components. Very good. Let me show those symbols here also in the train view. So Aditya and one more person making us to surprise. It's yes, very good, very good. Wait a minute. So see, what is the creativity of your friends, not me. I didn't did this task. Am I correct? Aditya almost tried the diode. Great applause. Very good, Aditya. Please keep. And I will share. Who's that? One more fellow. Harish. Harish also. Harish, Sri Hari. Many of them draw the symbol. But please see how your friends are did the task in a very good way. Yes, I asked her to turn on the camera and show the output. But these people tried a different way to show the output. This is called think out of the box. Whatever the task we are giving, not only stick with that. Take your ideas and make the things to work. I think I made little thing to you people to work. Please have the same interest throughout the course and your whole lifetime journey. Okay. Can anyone tell me the name of this diode? We have studied in our school days. இது ஒரு specific name இருக்கு. ரெண்டு
PN
letter.
junction diode.
PNP.
Very good. Very good. PN junction. We studied railway junction. What is this PN junction? Can anyone help me? What is this junction? Junction means it is the meeting point. Am I correct, sir? Junction means it is the meeting point. Am I correct? But PN junction na edu rendu meet aiku. Any idea? Any
Two
idea?
semiconductors.
Very good. What is the name of the
Doped.
semiconductors? P-type.
P-type
and N.
doped, N-type doped.
Very good. If I join these two, whether I will match to Feviquick to paste these two, join how I will join this? Then I have to take two leads. What is this name called? Diode. Diode. இன்னும் டீடைலா சொல்லணும்னா PN junction diode. Yes. This diode என்ன பண்ணும்? It will do some action. Leave it. I told the LED is not an PN junction diode. It's a special type of PN junction diode. Can anyone tell me what is the output from your diode LED? What is the output from your LED?
Light.
Light. How to notate the light symbol? Light வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா
Arrow mark.
Two arrows.
இப்படி பண்ணுங்க.
Upward arrow mark.
Upward arrow mark. This means you are emitting something. The same arrowhead, if you draw like this, what it means? You are receiving something. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, sir? Here you are emitting something. Here you are receiving something. We are using these two symbols in the semiconductor physics. The second one we will see later. Now we will take the first one and keep these arrowheads nearby this. Now it become what? Now it become what? Can anyone tell me? It is become
LED.
That's all. How the smart the engineers are. Am I correct, sir? Engineers நமக்கு எப்படி simplify பண்ணி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. ஒரு think வந்து எப்படி further கொஞ்சமா improvement பண்றது. First they invented diode. After some time, okay, நான் vertical வரையல, horizontal வரையல. Because the symbol நமக்கு கொஞ்ச நாள் familiar ஆகணும். If I change the orientation, you people may find little difficult. Then you may think that is a different symbol. This is simple diode. Now I want to convert this diode into LED. LED convert panna, I need to make two arrowheads. This thing represents the emission of light. That's all. Now can anyone help me how to connect these elements together? What I need to use? Connecting wires. Am I correct, sir? Is it the connecting wire is available in the paint? Simple or line draw pannamna connecting wires. Okay, let me take the red color. Red color எடுக்கிற இங்க connect பண்றேன். One end of the switch I have connect, other end of the switch I am going to connect it to the resistor. Then the other end of the resistor I am going to connect it to the one end of the diode. Then from the another end of the diode to the negative terminal of the battery. For that I am going to use black color. Can anyone tell me why I am using two different colors to draw the circuit diagram? இது நம்ம எங்க படிச்சிருக்கோமா இந்த ரெண்டு கலர்ஸ்? So positive
and negative.
Positive and
yes,
negative.
this is called color coding. What is that? Color coding. The easy identification or the representation. If Gajendran drawing this diagram and Gajendran circulating the diagram to some other fellow like Aditya or Akshay, Soumya, someone else, they should not get confused which are the lines carrying the positive things. Up to this, நம்ம positive கூட connect பண்ணிருக்கோம். Then this end is connected to the negative terminal. Is it this kind of colors available in the connecting wires? Have you seen in your home? நம்ம வீட்ல wiring எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது மாதிரி different colors யூஸ் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. Okay, I'm not going to make much complex here. This battery, this resistor and switches, these three can be used in the electrical circuit as well as the electronic circuit. But in the particular circuit name நம்ம எதை வச்சு வைக்கிறோம்னா the output. Which one producing the output? Output ஓட abbreviation எழுதுறேன். Please learn this one. Output அப்படின்னா OUT PUT. But we will represent the abbreviation like this as a O/P. So output எது கொடுக்குது? It is a semiconductor device. Therefore, the whole thing is called as an electrical circuit or electronic circuit. Option A, option B. நான் இதுக்கப்புறம் நான் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ ஆப்ஷன் பி தான் சொல்லணும். ஏன்னு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Ampere. Am I correct, sir? You need to select only option A and B if you are in the online mode. Fortunately, if COVID situations are clear, you can come to the online mode. That time, this paper is a full theory paper. You need to write it in the descriptive answers. If in the offline mode, you need to draw the diagram. You need to draw some, you need to write some little theory content. Then little equations and few problematic things you need to solve. Now, if electronic device அப்படின்னா the circuit only this component is the electronic device. What is electronic circuit? The whole thing. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன படிக்க போறோம்னு எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரிஞ்சிருச்சா? நம்ம கோர்ஸ்ல என்ன படிக்க போறோம்னு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சா? Am I correct? Is it clear to everyone, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
நம்ம ஃபாஸ்டா போறோம்னா புரியாத லாங்குவேஜ்ல பேசுறேன்னா சப்ஜெக்டோட ஒரு ஸ்பார்க் நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Let me put it in the different way. In the circuit, யாரெல்லாம் implement பண்ணி science project பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? Either this or this. Simply type yes or no in the chat box. Please make it fast. In the circuit நான் already implement பண்ணி நான் science project பண்ணிருக்கேன் sir. How many of them already did this? Let me know. ஸ்கூல்ல நிறைய பேர் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. எத்தனை பேர் இந்த சர்க்யூட் உங்க இதுல சி பண்ணிருக்கீங்க இதுக்கு முன்னாடி? எஸ் ஆர் நோ இன் த சாட் பாக்ஸ் ப்ளீஸ். எஸ் சார், வெரி குட். நேசமணி, வெரி குட். நேசமணி என்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணீங்க? தனுஷ் என்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணீங்க? தனுஷ், கேன் யூ ஸ்பெசிஃபை த ப்ராஜெக்ட் வாட் யூ ஹேவ் டிட்? மெனி நோ. அப்ப எங்களோட டாஸ்க் என்னவா இருக்கும்? டு மேக் திஸ் சாட் டு எஸ். So our task is make this task. இங்க நிறைய பேர் நோ போட்டுட்டு எங்க டாஸ்க் என்னது? என்ன பண்றது எங்களோட டாஸ்க்? கன்வெர்ட் நோ டு எஸ். எல்லாரும் கோஆபரேட் பண்ணுவீங்களா? அதுக்கு கோஆபரேட் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, very good. You did windmill, very good. We will discuss that windmill concept. You are going to present. That is the first topic. You are going to present. See, here we alone not talk. We will give a chance to you people also. Then the name of the students. Kana don't. Kana inga par na ipo windmill சொன்னதுனால எனக்கு நீங்க work கொடுக்குறீங்கன்னு சொல்லாதடா கண்ணா. Are you ready to take 5 minutes presentation, Srihari, regarding windmill, what you have did? Srihari from A section.
Sir.
ஒரு 5 minutes உன்னால எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண முடியுமா ஏதாவது ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல உனக்கு 5 minutes கொடுத்தா?
சரி.
I will help you. You can do it. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, come back. So now you are clear with the electronic circuit and electric circuit. அப்ப நம்ம டாஸ்க் என்னன்னா நம்ம சர்க்யூட் வரையணும் அப்படின்னா your task is to find the symbols. எவ்வளவு symbols உன்னால find பண்ண முடியுமோ. Okay. Now let me check your little more your memory power. This is one type of diode. I will make small modification in the second symbol. I hope you people may definitely answer this. What is this diode? Whether it's a simple
Zener diode.
Very good. It is called what?
Zener diode.
Are we studied this one in our school days, sir? Are we studied this thing in school days, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Physics practical, sir.
Physics practical, very good. Physics practical பண்ணிருக்கேன். Who did that project? Who did the lab? Can you tell me the color of the Zener diode what you have used? என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கும் Zener diode? Option A black, option B orange. என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கும்? Okay, மறந்துட்டேன். Check பண்ணிட்டு வந்து சொல்லுங்க. Now the scientist invented one more component. இதுல எவ்வளவு terminals இருக்கு? How many terminals are there?
Transistor, sir. Yes.
Who told that answer? Actually, I did small mistake over here. I did.
Want to invert that, sir?
கண்ணா நீ யாரு கண்ணா உன் பேர் என்ன?
Jayarajan, sir.
I am really happy with you. See, I thought that no one can answer this. Very good, Jayaraj. But our task is to enhance this. Okay? இது வந்து இதுக்கு 3 டெர்மினல் இருக்கும். இது வந்து ஒரு ஈக்குவலன்ட் டயகிராம் தான். இது இப்படி வரையறத வந்து கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி ஒரு சிம்பிள் கொடுத்தாங்க. அது எப்படி இருக்கும்னா எப்படி சார் இருக்கும்? Am I correct, sir? Two types of transistors available. How to differentiate that?
The arrow mark.
But yeah, scientists ரொம்ப help பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So, what is the name of the terminal? Can anyone recollect and tell me? Can anyone?
Emitter, collector.
Very good. Base, emitter and collector. ஏன்னா நம்ம வீட்டில் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் வால் பண்ணா நம்ம பேரண்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணுவாங்க. கரெக்டா? So, in the particular semiconductor device, you can't control the flow of electron. But in this semiconductor device, the third terminal, the scientist invented, the purpose of this third terminal is to control the flow of electron. The name of the terminal is called base. What are the other two terminals? Collector and emitter. Am I correct, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
என்ன டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் இருக்கு, என்ன டிஃபரெண்ட் இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. இந்த ஏரோஹெட் நம்ம எங்க காட்டியிருக்கோம்? எந்த டெர்மினல்ல காட்டியிருக்கோம்? கலெக்டர்லயா எமிட்டர்லயா?
Emitter.
Am I correct? So the emitterல தான் நம்ம கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So option A NPN, option B PNP. Diagram 1 எது, diagram 2 எதுன்னு சொன்னோம். Please make attempt, no issue. Diagram 1 வந்து எது? Option A வா B யா?
Option A, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option A. How many of them saying option A? Option A, the sir, NPN. What about the second one? Option B. It's the right answer. NPN and PNP. அப்போ நமக்கு எவ்வளோ சிம்பிள் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சிட்டோம். டயோடு தெரியும், ஜீனர் டயோடு தெரியும், டிரான்சிஸ்டர் தெரியும். What else I know? What is the one more symbol I know? What is this? What is this?
LED.
LED. Light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. Yes. What is this? What is this? What is this? Hello, sir?
Source. Energy source.
Energy source. So, இப்போ எல்லாத்துக்கும் பசிக்குதா? Are you hungry? What do you want? What you will do? You will fill your stomach with the food. That is the energy for us to work or attend the second session class. In the same way, my circuit requires some source to activate, to make my semiconductor LED to glow or my diode to conduct. Am I correct, sir? So the sources will be in the different forms. The first one is cell. What about the second one? Can you type in the chat box? What about the second one? What about the second one? Or unmute and tell. What about the second one? What about the third one? Can I கொஞ்சம் 5 minutes நான் wind up பண்ணிடுறேன். Please. Hello? Hello? What about the second one? Whether it is a battery or cell? Battery. What about the third one? What about the third one? Okay. What about the fourth one?
Battery.
Okay. What about the fifth one?
Cell.
Generator, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Generator. That where mechanical energy is converted into what?
Electric energy.
Electrical
Very
energy.
good, very good. What about the last one?
Photovoltaic.
Solar panel, sir.
Solar.
Exact name. Who told photovoltaic cell? Who told photovoltaic cell? Okay. It is there. Again, and the diagram 6 images are there. The only one is the semiconductor. Can anyone tell me which one it is?
Photovoltaic.
Photovoltaic cell is the semiconductor device. What energy it receives and what energy it gives?
Solar energy into electrical
Solar
energy.
energy into electrical energy.
Okay. What are, very good, very good. What are the two kind of energy we will receive from the solar?
Light and
Heat and light.
Very
Heat and
good.
light.
Heat and light. Without making much delay, you may saw that solar panel like this. I told you this is a semiconductor. So, you have a number of cells. The cell abdina confuse agudad. Oru positive plate, oru negative plate. Typically, the voltage is 1.5. Battery is the combination of cells. It's a series combination or parallel combination. You can connect it like this. I will tell you how they invented battery symbol. This is one cell. This is another cell. If you take your TV remote, it won't work with 1.5 volt. The operating voltage required for your TV remote is the 3 volt. Then how many cells I needed? How I need to connect these two cells?
2 cells.
2 cells I need.
2 cell in series.
Series, very good. I need to connect like this. After lunch, don't repair your TV remote. Please remove the cap of the TV remote at the back side. You will find 2 cells. Here plus, here minus, here plus, here minus. Here you will find one spring type arrangement. This will make this loop. At last, you will receive the voltage at the positive and negative terminal as 3 volt. Thereby, the takeaway point from this is your operating voltage of the TV remote is 3 volt. Thereby, you are going to use 2 cells are in series. But the scientists, what they did, if you keep on connect the cells are in series, it is not mandatory to draw the number of cells in series. They invented one symbol called this. In this standard symbol, you have only 2 cells are in series. It is equivalent to any voltage. How I can represent the voltage? How I can represent? Simply write the magnitude of the voltage nearby the battery symbol. 72 volt, 12 volt, or 24 volt, or 36 volt. These are all some standard voltages we are using in the industry. Even this battery, the blue color HW battery, it is the brand name, that voltage is 9 volt. Can anyone tell me how many cells present inside that 9 volt battery?
4.
Very, very good. How you arrived that? 9 divided by 1.5. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct, sir? So 1.5 into 4, how much I will get? I will get only 6. Am I correct? Then can anyone tell me how many cells were connected inside this? 6 cells is the right answer. So this battery consists of 6 cells. Okay. Let me conclude the session with the one new symbol, but is very, very useful symbol. That is your solar cell. That is also a semiconductor device. Here you have a number of cells are connected in series and parallel combinations. Let me draw the symbol of this. Here it is a source. Correct? This is energy. Now cell symbol draw plus minus draw and one enclosed circle, if I want, I can put it. Can anyone assist me whether solar cell will receive light energy or emits light energy?
Receive.
Upper arrowhead
Receive.
every downward direction or upward direction?
Downward, sir.
That is
Downward.
the idea behind the semiconductor physics. Likewise, you will learn new concept every day. Your syllabus and all I will show you in the very next class. My humble request, go to have a good lunch, follow the second afternoon session, evening, sit some time. And I think yesterday itself the match over. Cup vaangitom. Am I correct, sir? So on the couple of cricket match and the cricket stump bold ஆகும்போது மேல ஒரு வெயில் ஒன்னு கீழ விழுகுது, அது blink ஆச்சு. அதுக்குள்ள என்ன சார் இருக்கு? ஹலோ, அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குது? கிரிக்கெட் ஸ்டம்ப் போல்ட் என்ன இருக்குது உள்ள?
LED.
That's all. நம்ம படிக்கிறதெல்லாம் பிராக்டிகலா பார்க்க முடியுமா? That is the beauty of this electrical science. Whatever studied you have studied. எனக்கு ப்ரோக்ராம் நல்லா ஸ்கில் இருக்கு சார், கொஞ்சம் போரிங்கா இருக்கு. டைம் பாஸ்க்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Do one project and have a time pass. After some time, program and make your project into the very smart one. Thank you very much for your patient listening. With this, I am going to conclude the today's class. You people will receive the recorded content in your Google Classroom. Whoever not joined your Google Classroom so far, join the classroom. Your invitation is already available in your